Sit down here. Sit down here. I'll buy coffee. Hello. Give me one senior coffee, please. One senior coffee. $3.27. Wow.
We don't give discount.
Ooh. If you're senior, no discount, huh? Inside the airport, but outside, I got my free coffee. Thank you. It's okay. We have Splenda and cream.
Yeah.
99.
Yeah, over here as well. Okay.
Yeah. Can I get some French and barbecue? Yeah, you can have one. Thank you.
Order that uno. Order number 1. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. So barbecue.
Thank you. So do you coffee? Creamers?
Yeah, give me 3 creamers, please. And there's Splenda there already, so I'll take some. Take this. Yeah. Excuse me, I'll get some Splenda.
Great. Small coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
327?
Order number 2. Order that goes.
Coffee. Mami, timplahan mo nga. Oh. Can you timpla? I'll get a napkin. Sali. Sorry.
Hindi ka bumili ng morning breakfast?
Ha?
Hindi ka bumili morning breakfast?
Hindi, kakain ba tayo sa McDonald's after this? Kaya, agad ko muna konting tiis. Konting tiis ba? Ang mahal ng breakfast dito, ang kape dito. Sabi ko, is there any discount? We don't give discount in the airport. Sabi, no senior. Ayan mo. Kita mo.
Ang laki naman kasi nito.
Ano mo na muna. Taste it first.
Hindi, nakadalawa pa lang nilalagay ko.
Okay.
Alam mo matabang pa ito, pero mong laki-laki yung kape to.
Yan. Ang dami na ng cream. Tama na. Baka tumamis na. Wait, let me taste. Enough ang tamis. They put too much Splenda. It's too sweet. This is $4 coffee inside the airport. No discount for the senior. No discount for the senior. Okay, I turn up for a while and then wait for my friend. See you later.